Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix you need the official WhatsApp to use this account on iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you try to open your WhatsApp or when you try to log in your WhatsApp and you will see this type of error again and again, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, you need to go back, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, and guys now you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this from here you need to set your date and time on automatically, and after this you need to click on iPhone storage, and guys now you need to scroll it below, and from here you need to open your WhatsApp and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this guys you need to go back. So guys, after doing this, simply you have to open your app store in your iPhone, and guys here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, as you will see here, simply you have to open your WhatsApp here and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing update guys, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to open your WhatsApp easily. And guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your settings again, click on general, and guys after clicking on it, click on iPhone storage, and from here if you have installed any mode WhatsApp IPA file, then you need to delete that mode WhatsApp and you need to download it again from App Store, and guys after using your official WhatsApp your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all these method, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open Safari, and here you need to search WhatsApp support. So guys, as you will see, click on contact WhatsApp and click on contact us, and guys here you need to enter your phone number, here you need to enter your Gmail address, and again select your device, and here you need to write your problem and submit your appeal. Within few minutes they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.